Hello and welcome to our channel where we teach simple English. In today's video, we will be discussing 10 common words in the English language that you can try to master as you begin your English journey. First, we have the word amazing. The word amazing is often used to describe something that is good or impressive. You can also try and use words like incredible or remarkable, which has the same meaning as amazing. Secondly, we have the word literally. Literally is a word that is often used to emphasize a point. And again, it has synonyms, thus actually and really. Thirdly, we have the word awesome. The word awesome is often used to describe something that is great or impressive. Using words like fantastic or terrific will work well. Fourthly, we have basically, which is used when simplifying a complex idea. Fifth, we have the word very. This word is often used to emphasize a point. You can replace it with more descriptive words. So instead of saying very good, try using words like excellent or outstanding. Sixth, we have the word nice. This word is often used to describe something that is good or pleasant. The word nice can be replaced with more descriptive words such as delightful or charming. Seventh, we have the word actually. This word is often used to emphasize a point. The word actually can be replaced with more descriptive words like in fact or as a matter of fact. Eighth, really. This word is often used to emphasize a point. And if you wish, you can replace it with absolutely or completely. Ninth, we have the word just. This word is often used to indicate a small amount or degree. Finally, on number 10, we have the word thing. This word is often used to refer to an object or idea. You can consider replacing it with words like object or concept. And that's it. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.